So good evening and welcome back students. Now we will study to find the sum method to find the sum up to n terms of the series of this type like 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777. So how to find this sum? First we write s equals to 0.7 plus S is the notation to find the sum 0.77 plus 0.777 and so on up to, we have to find only up to n terms of the series. So remember, in all these types of question, first we take 7 common from all the terms of this series. It's not a GP, 0.11 plus 0.11. If you find 0.77 upon 0.7 ratio between second term and the first term, it will be to clarify whether it's a GP or not, it will be 11/10. And again, if you find the ratio between third term and the third last term, 111/110, means this is not the common ratio. It means it's not a GP. And if it is not a GP, and neither it's an AP, if you find differences, then difference is also not common. So for this, we convert it to a GP by first taking 7 common from all the terms, 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 and so on up to n terms. Then in next step, we will divide all the terms by 9. So if we divide, then we should multiply all the terms by 9. Means we are taking 1/9 common. Means we are dividing by 9. So we have to multiply by 9 also. So it is 0.9 plus 0.999 plus 0.999 and so on up to n terms. So 7/9 into, now if we write this 0.9, 0.99, now if you again check, it will again give the same result as we are getting in this for the ratio. So it's not a GP. Now to convert it to a GP, first we take to which of the integer this 0.9 is nearest. So we observe it is nearest to 1. So if we write 1 minus 0.1, we know that if we subtract 0.1 from 1, it is giving 0.9 plus 1 minus, if we write 0.01, then still it is also giving 0.99, and for 0.999, if we write 1 minus 0.001, this is also the result, and we have to find it up to n terms. Now first we write all the ones in first bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on up to n terms. The sum of this will be n only. Minus this 0, minus is taken common from the second terms. 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 and so on up to, it will be up to n terms. And if 1 is added n times, it is giving n minus this 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. If you observe, it's a GP. A equals to 0.1 and R equals to 0.01 upon 0.1. So check it, it is giving 1/10. Again, check it once more to check whether it's a GP or not. 0.001 is the third term upon 0.01 is the second term. It is also giving the same result on cancelling the decimals. So common ratio is 1/10 and first term is 0.1. And we know that sum of, so write all these in curly bracket as, this is the reason. Sn equals to sum of n terms of GP is given by A into 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R whenever r is less than 1. So a is 0.1 into 1 minus r. R is, this 1 by 10 can also be written as 0.1. So we will write 0.1 r to the power n over 1 minus r. So it is equal to 7 by 9 into n minus 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power n upon 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. So this is the result. 7 by 9 into n minus 0.1 upon 0.9, point cancelled out, 1 by 9 into 1 minus, we can write this 1 by 10 to the power n also. So this is the answer. So whenever we have to add 0.7, 0.77 plus 0.77 up to n term, the result is 7 by 9, n minus 1 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n. First we take 7 common from all of the terms, then divide the terms by 9 and multiply by 9. Then all of them are nearer to 1, so we can write 1 minus 0.1, 1 minus 0.01, 1 minus 0.001 and so on. So first terms are written in first bracket, their sum is n, and second terms are written in second bracket and they are forming a GP with first term a equals to 0.1. You can look at this. This is first term, and common ratio which is obtained by second term upon first term or third term upon second term is only 1 by 10. So when we use it in formula of sum of n terms to a GP, it is giving a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So 7 by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 we have written above. This one is equal to n only minus, this is a 0.1 into 1 minus r 0.1 r to the power 9 n over 1 minus 0.1 becomes 0.9, and finally it is giving the result 7 by 9 into n minus 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 upon n to the power n. In the exams, when there is objective questions are given in when objective questions are given in exam, you have to learn this result. If you have to find the sum of 0.8 plus 0.88 plus 0.888 and so on up to n terms, you directly write this 8 by 9 in place of 7, write 8, n minus 1 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power 9, which is the answer. So you can directly solve this using this result. So learn this result also to solve the objective questions. Okay, students? So hope you must have understood this concept. So practice it well and continue to ask your doubts and continue to solve the sheets.